Namaskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel Yoga with Kesha. This is the next video in Chakra Balancing series and I am discussing about root chakra. In today's video again I am giving you some insight about the disharmonious functioning of our root chakra. How you can find out that your root chakra is not in balance. What things you will just realize or see in your life that you can just say or tell that yes, your root chakra is not in harmony. So first of all, first thing you see that if your root chakra is not in harmony, your all thoughts and your all actions will revolve around the material possessions. You will try to possess lots of things, or you will indulge yourself in food, in sensual, you can say desires, because you lack some satisfaction from within. Okay, so it will just result in all these things. You will overdo everything. You will try to possess everything. It will be like more than you need. You will try to eat even then when you are full. You will try to just buy things you don't need. So okay, so these are the things that you can just see. Another thing that you will not be able to just see that the work you are doing, how it's affecting your life. You will not be able to take care of even yourself and others. Like sometimes we overdo the things. Okay, we are just working 24 hours and not giving our own self, our body, our mind rest it needs. So it also shows that your root chakra is not working in balance. Another thing that you want to just possess everything you need or you don't need or you desire. Primarily your life is based on your desires. Whatever desire you have in your mind, you just want to fulfill it without caring about the consequences. And another thing, it's very difficult for you to let go of the things. You find it difficult. And on the physical plane, how you just see this, it results in your overweight and constipation. Because it's difficult for you to freely give and take. You just try to hold everything to your own self. And why you want to do this? Because you lack primordial trust on the, you can say, this process of life. That's why whatever you like, whatever you love, you just want to possess that thing or that person. To the extent that you become violent, sometimes you can become very angry and you try to harm even that particular thing. So it means that your senses, they are not in your control as your root chakra is not working in balance. So the another thing is your anger issues and your violent behavior, they are also the consequences of your disharmonious functioning of your root chakra. That your emotions, they are not in your control and not balanced. And another thing we can see nowadays, how we can find out that the root chakra is imbalanced. We are exploiting Mother Earth and its natural resources. The reason we give it that we are trying to fulfill the needs of the humans. So this is not the way. The problem is that we are overdoing everything just for our own selves because we lack something inside. And we want to fulfill it with the material possessions, with food, with work sometimes, and we are not at peace with our own self. And you can be at peace with your own self and you can have that satisfaction inside when your root chakra will start working in harmony. So there are many yogic practices like pranayams, asanas and yogic philosophy. With the help of that, you can balance your root chakra and your life. So I will discuss all those things in detail in my coming videos and will tell you about the asanas, kriyas, pranayamas, mudras and bandhas, how you can balance your each chakra. Till then, just keep watching my channel. Namaskar.